How to log into your Bank of America mobile banking online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily log into your Bank of America mobile banking online. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your application, or you can also use your browser version and simply search in for Bank of America just like this, and just tap on the first link which appears over here, which is the official website of Bank of America. So once you're inside here, basically tap on this login button. It's the same process for application as well, so you can just basically tap on login button, and where you will have to simply provide your user ID, that is your registered user ID, as well as your registered password which you used in the creation of your account, and simply tap on login. If you ever forget your password, you can just tap on this forget ID or password to actually reset your ID or password, and for that you may need to provide your card or account number, or as well as social security number or tax ID number. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.